The writing test is more formal and it's for a grade, so I have to stop and think about it for 5 or so minutes, make sure I think about what I really want to say, and then I write it down in like a map or some form to get my ideas organized so they're not in chaos all over the place. Then I start writing the actual bodies of my paper.
What are some of the writing strategies you use when you take the writing test?
The main thing I use is brainstorming, because if I don't, my ideas aren't going to make any sense. And they're not going to flow very easily because I don't like the writing test. It's difficult for me. So if I have to write about it, I'm going to brainstorm to get my ideas out. And then after that, I like to write out my paragraphs on the scratch paper before I put it on the final paper. Because if not, if you write like your introduction and then you get to the second paragraph and you're halfway through it and you realize you want to change the introduction, then you're going to have to go back and erase everything you just wrote to edit that one thing and then rewrite it all over again, and that wastes time.
And that kind of brings up another question. Some people don't like to write their paper in order. What are your thoughts on that?
If you really don't like to write in order, then you definitely need to put it on scratch paper, because that way you can jump around any way you want to. Like you can start in the third paragraph and do the fourth and then do the second and then go to the introduction. And then when you put it on your final paper, just put everything in the order you think it should go in.